How to lock a Notion page with a password. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to lock a Notion page with a password. Let's get started. Since Notion doesn't have a built-in password lock for individual pages just yet, I will show you a simple workaround using a tool called Papermark, perfect for adding an extra layer of security. First, go to Papermark and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free to sign up. After that, click All Documents, and then click the Add Document. Then choose the Notion page, and then go to your Notion page, then copy your Notion link. After that, go back to your Papermark account, paste your Notion link into the box, and click Save Notion Link. Once it loads, scroll down and click the Create Link to Share. You will see a few options for customizing access. Turn on Require Password to view, then set a password that viewers must enter to access the page. When you're done, click Save and Preview. Papermark will generate a new secure link. This is the one you will share with others, not your original Notion link. Now anyone who clicks the link will be asked to enter the password before they can view the page. And that's it. That's how you lock a Notion page with a password. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.